Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Snapchat. Your account has been locked for violating community guideline. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have go back from here. So you have close the app. So then you have click on Google. So then you have open the Google on your iPhone. So you have searching option. So you have support Snapchat. So then you have search, then you have click on first link on your iPhone. So then you have click here and then you have wait a few seconds. So then you have click on my account is compromised. So then you have click here. Wait a few seconds, then you have seen my iPhone screen. Then you have submit a request, what can we help you with? So then you have I cannot access my account. Then you have not then you have click here. Then you have seen the situation. So you have then compromised. So then you have account facing the issue. So you have or no tell us more. So then you have tell us more. Then you have submit, my account is locked. So then you have click here and then wait a few seconds. So then you have again submit, I think my account was compromised. So then you have click here and then you have wait a few seconds. So then he is automatically submit and then you have my account has been compromised and then I can no longer access it. So then you have a username you have used on Snapchat. So then you have enter here and then you have used with Snapchat email. Then you have enter here and then you have add the number. Then you have used the mobile number. Then you have description. Then you have facing any issue. You have your account is locked and then you have compromised the account. Then you have description in tab and then you have submit from here. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.